car seat gap fillers are ingenious accessories designed to bridge the annoying and dangerous gap between car seats and the center console. These versatile solutions prevent small items like keys, phones, or loose change from slipping into the abyss, saving you from the constant hassle of retrieving them while driving. Their simple yet effective design ensures a secure fit, eliminating distractions caused by reaching down to retrieve items. Made from durable materials like neoprene or high-quality PU leather, these gap fillers seamlessly blend with your car's interior, providing a clean and stylish look. Users rave about their ease of installation and universal compatibility with most car models. With positive reviews highlighting their practicality and functionality, car seat gap fillers are a must-have accessory for any car owner seeking convenience and organization on the road. Hello and welcome to the video. In today's episode, we will showcase the top car seat gap fillers on the market. Remember to subscribe and like for more content. Let's begin reviewing the top options. EcoNour brand has achieved an impressive 5th position in our comprehensive evaluation. Their car seat gap filler showcases a foam-reserved compartment design that allows for separate storage. With an upgraded base, it offers compatibility with a wider range of car models. The filler features a double cup holder design with a removable base, along with a reserved charging hole for added safety and aesthetic appeal. Utilizing the charging hole box, you can conveniently store items like your mobile phone, with the charging line passing through the hole. This innovative design creates extra storage space for essentials like smartphones, parking tickets, wallets, and water cups, keeping them within easy reach. Installing and using the filler is a breeze, simply placing it next to the seat for convenient access. Securing the 4th position in our top-rated products, the JOYTUTUS brand proudly presents an array of exceptional features. The car seat organizer features a deformable rubber base design, ensuring stability and preventing any shaking or popping out while driving. With its strong adaptability, it fits perfectly in various car gaps, ranging from 0.6 to 1.6 inches, and has a depth of 2.6 inches. Unlike hard leather or plastic materials, this front seat gap filler is made of durable silicone, offering a soft texture that won't squeeze your leg. It remains free from peeling and degumming, providing a comfortable and quiet driving experience. The storage box includes 2 dividers, allowing you to organize your accessories as needed. The large compartment accommodates items like phones, sunglasses, wallets, cards, and pens, while the small one is perfect for keys, bills, and coins. Cable holes and a cable slot keep your charging cable organized, securely storing it when not in use. Installation is effortless, requiring no additional sponges. Simply insert the car seat gap filler vertically or horizontally, and it will snugly fit into the front car gap of most vehicle models. Claiming the 3rd position in our esteemed list of top-ranking products, the EcoNour brand offers an exceptional solution for those struggling with mobiles falling from pockets and wide car seat gaps. The EcoNour car seat gap filler and organizer effectively reduces dropped items and provides optimized storage for all your essentials. It features a car key holder, perfect for keys, cards, money, charger, phone, and remote, with easy wipe clean functionality. Say goodbye to tangled charger cables around your console. Crafted from durable and water-resistant PU leather, our car middle console organizer is built to last. This seat gap organizer keeps your essential items secure and neatly organized, giving your car a tidy appearance. Suitable for seat gaps ranging from 0.6 inch to 2, simply place the car front seat organizer between your car seats and the center console. Use the provided spacers to adjust the fit to your liking. For wider seat gaps, utilize the dividers for a snug fit. Power Tiger CR accessories brand has claimed an impressive second position in our brand ranking, surpassing its rivals with exceptional performance. With their car side pocket, you can effectively fill the gaps between the car seat and center console, eliminating the danger of dropped phones while driving. Prior to purchasing, it is important to carefully measure the distance between your seat and console. Note that it may not fit cars with lower central consoles or seat gaps wider than 0.6 inches. For more details, refer to the size image. The product includes 2 PCS of hook and loop to prevent slipping down between seats. It creates additional storage space for your belongings, such as smartphones, wallets, keys, and more, providing easy access while driving. Additionally, it can serve as a phone stand or container when placed on the seat. Our tests have shown that it saves room and offers convenience, especially for families. Installation is a breeze. Simply slide it into the gaps between your seat and middle console, or install it on the seat back or front as desired. It can be easily cleaned with water when dirty. At the pinnacle of our list, the EcoNour brand reigns with an unmatched standard of excellence. Crafted from highly durable PU leather and ABS plastic material, their car seat gap filler with cup holder is designed to fit most four-wheelers. It accommodates seat gaps of up to 1.5 centimeters in the front seats, and for wider gaps, an extra foam pad is included in the package. This car seat gap filler is a game changer for those who frequently drop small items between the seat cracks. Serving as a perfect car seat gap organizer, it snugly fits between your car seats. Setting it apart from other front seat organizers, EcoNour's version features a dedicated vent for convenient mobile charging. The built-in dividers facilitate mounting of mobile phones within the gap filler. This 2-pack car accessories interior for women's seat organizer also includes hooks that can be mounted to your headrests, with a weight capacity of up to 30 pounds, making it an essential companion for road trips and organizing needs. The material is resistant to breakage, slipping, bending, and scratching, ensuring reliability and longevity. Suitable for consoles higher than the car seats, this car pocket organizer is a trustworthy automotive console and organizer solution. We value your feedback regarding car seat gap fillers. Please feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Your input is crucial in enhancing our products. Thank you for taking the time to provide us with your valuable feedback.